In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most gracious, the most merciful. Sometime you were supposed to say something, you were expected to speak in favor of someone else, in favor of someone else, to show your relationship, to show that you are behind the back of someone else, but you failed to do that, either because you were not having clarity in your mind, you were not clear enough about what to say, about to say something, or to be quiet. That became the reason that you failed to talk, you failed to speak. Believe me or not, this thing is going to cost you, this might cost you a dearer relationship. Why? Because you did not turn up at the moment you were needed. Not because somebody was necessarily in trouble, but maybe because somebody was feeling very lonely and wanted to get an emotional support, an emotional strength from you, but you fail to provide that. Here then you have lost a relationship, and now there are certain situations where there are certain gatherings, there are certain people sitting together, and now somebody has called and somebody has hosted this meeting to show them to show them their capabilities or their intentions, or whatever, for a kind of projection. But you did speak, you, although you were not supposed to speak, you were not invited for this purpose, rather you were invited only to be a listener, to be a good listener. But you wanted to become a speaker, and you did speak, although you did not interrupt anyone else, although you did not violate the you did not violate the manners of the conversation, the manners of the gathering. Yet you were disapproved by the host. Why? Because the host has called this meeting, because the host has arranged this function to deliver either their speech, or simply to outshine, simply to tell the people how capable I am, and to show a kind of candidacy. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, I think there is a timing for each and everything. Whatever we do have to say, whatever we do have to do, and I think so. As far the opportunities are concerned, opportunities too does have a timing, does have a very limited amount of time available to us, and we do have to avail the opportunity during this timing. Otherwise, the opportunity will be missed, and we will be found regretting and repenting why I could not avail that opportunity. Likewise, at certain places, although we do have a very good content to speak upon, although we do have a good capabilities to deliver, but since we are not supposed to talk, since does not the host of that particular function has not called us as a speaker, but we wanted to speak, and we did speak, and we were appreciated up to some extent by the audience as well. But since it is the host actually who controls everything, where who is going to be invited and who is not going to be invited, this does happen actually at the at the forums, particularly because the capable people are not so encouraged. If they are not very resourceful, these people are not encouraged to come and to show their talent, to come and to show their knowledge. And so I think so. There is a timing, whatever I'm repeating again and again. This is about the timing. There is a time for each and everything we wanted to do, for each and everything we wanted to say. If at all we are not saying something where we are supposed to say something, I think that we do have to repent and regret. And on the other hand, if at all we are found saying and speaking where we are not supposed to speak and say, again, this is a wrong timing to speak, and it is definitely not good at all to show yourself a speaking ability or any other type of the talent which you are possessing, which you are carrying. So be careful, be very careful and cautious as for the timing are concerned, and try to avoid saying the irrelevant things. Not only the irrelevant things, rather the unnecessary things as well. If at all you are found saying the irrelevant thing, obviously people are not going to call you somebody who is sensible enough. On the other hand, if at all you are saying the unnecessary things, let me tell you that these unnecessary things are going to be used against you. Whatever unnecessary knowledge, information you did share, these things are going to be used against you. Timing for everything. At certain places you do have to say something, you do have to do something. Thank you, jazakallah.